Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope you all are fine. Live your life happily. Let's start from our topic. Today my topic is how to overcome the social anxiety, or how to overcome to talking with the strange people. According to me, the biggest fear after the death is to be the next fear is to talking with strangers or to talking on a stage. That is a very big fear in every man's life. Let's start that how to overcome this all of the fears, the fear of talking with strangers. Here are some of points let me discuss for you to you that if you can implement these all points into your life, then the chances are increased that you are easily overcome to your social anxiety or to be talking to with strangers, because talking with strangers is a very good habit that can make you very successful as compared to other persons that are very shy or that are not like to be talking to with strangers, or they are suffering from that phobia that they cannot have ability to talking with strangers or talking with others social anxieties people. Let's start from the first point. First point is that practice it until it become your second nature. The first point is that practice it until it become your second nature. To talking with strangers, if you are continuously implement in your life, if you are continuously going on to talking with strangers, with too many strangers, then it's possible that maybe it become your second nature into your life. This is a very good thing that you are talking with strange people, because nobody have a lot of ability to talking with strangers on different topics. What kind of topic it is, no matter, but talking with people is a very precious and a good thing for of your own, for of your abilities, for of your future life, or for your job opportunity, or for any kind of thing. If you are a salesman, if you have an idea, if you have a product, then if you are a consumer, if you are a customer, if you are a salesman in a MLM, if you are what kind of the things that you hold, but the anxiety is the first thing that can suffering from that every person is suffering from that. But how to overcome is not in the hand of every people. Okay, the first of all, I think that I share with you that practice it to talking with strangers until it become your second nature. Why is it second nature? Because nature is the human internal thing that can be done by its own. He's not making a practice a lot of he just first of all implement a lot of practice on his own to just make it its own second nature, and going on and on just passing on his life, it's become into its nature. It's become the part of its nature or part of its deep habits. Okay, practice it to talking with strangers until it become your second nature. The second thing is to attend the social gatherings. Where the social gathering is, there are a lot of social gatherings. That is maybe the engagement party, that is the maybe a birthday party, that is maybe the wedding ceremony, that is maybe the ijlas, the majlis, the jalsas vagara, or the political parties. There is a lot of gatherings of people, or a social gathering where the many people are gathered to just make anything possible. I can also say that is maybe on a mourning or a funeral, or in the people of gathering in a graveyard, or the people are gathering, or what kind of it is. But if you are attend, that is the social things that can where a lot of the people are togetherly sitting, or just standing, or just walking, or just enjoying whatever event it is, no matter. But if you attend these kind of events, if you attend these kinds of things, that will help you to just minimize your to talking with strangers, or just minimize to your social anxiety. Always try to attend that kinds of social gathering that will help you to talking with strangers, no matter what topic it is. Maybe the topic it is on their own goals or of your own goals, or maybe the topic is the today's the newly topics there may be, but always remember that do not talk on religion and do not talk in politics, because these are two both of these topics are very sensitive talking with strangers, because every person have its own argue or its own opinions about any party, about any religion, but that will reduce your own popularity among the people, and that will maybe not much helpful for you to make a social gathering or to make a people bank of your own. Okay, second point here let I discuss with you is that attend the social gathering. Okay, the third point is it is help with your friend, help from your friend. Okay, the third point is that help from your friend. Maybe you are not too much maybe here that you are not too much have a practice to talking with strangers, but your friend his or her have ability to talking with strangers because he's just make his own on by his practice he can easily talking with strangers. Then you could help him. Then you could say that can you please help me, because I just need your help to talking with strangers and to just reduce my own anxiety. And that friend will help you to introduce yourself to others, and others to introduce with you. And then, but remember that do not help too much from your friend, that maybe he is totally just are you just speaking quietly, are you just standing quietly, and all of the things, all of the talkings are directing from your friends. But maybe but remember that if you help to from your friends, just trying to your own speaking. Okay, he just you just say him that you only help me to how to talk with strangers, but then literally I can also continuously with I can continuously I can end this topic to with the strangers, because you just need the initial help from your friends, and the finally the topic wind up is by your own. Okay, the second is that the third tips or the third point is that just help from your friends. The fourth point is that don't be overthinking. Number 4 point is that don't be overthink. Okay, what is don't be overthink? Because sometimes when we starting talking with strangers, and when we seeing or look towards the face of the stranger, we just imagine another face, or just imagine the whole conversation into our mind, that maybe this person is not free for me, that maybe this person are just making joke on my talkings, that maybe this person are just insulted me on my own on my talking to with him. But these all are your own opinions. Okay, just talking with them, if you can see any person that you wanna talking with them, just start it. Just don't be overthinking. Don't be just let the thinkings are overcome to you, but you must overcome to your thinkings. Okay, when you looked at any person that which you wanna talking with him, with her or with her, you must starting to talking with him with him or her, and that will help you to on your own abilities that can be preventing from the overthinking, or just the minimize that your own thoughts. Okay, don't be overthink or don't be over shy that maybe this person is not helpful for me, that maybe this person just insulted me, because these all are just unimagined thoughts into yourself. Okay, these are irrational fears into your mind. Maybe the reality is another, and okay, maybe the reality is other, and the visualization of you into yourself is another thing. Okay, don't be compare these two things. Always remember that when you starting talking with the strangers before your overthinking, that may be helpful for you, that your own thoughts are totally or overall wrong, that you are just make on your own opinions or your own basis about any other person that you want to talking with them and the reality is another. Okay, the number 4 point that I share with you, don't be overthinking. Okay, the last point here, number 5 point, let me discuss with you that don't let the negative people make you down. The number 5 point is that don't let the negative people make you down. Whenever we are starting with strangers, we just notice that some people are insulted from us, or some people insulted to us, or some people just do not talk to us, or some people are just angered on our talkings to with them. But here let me show you that the peoples that are hate with you are just too much low, but the peoples that are love with you, they are in lot of numbers. But what we can think that we just imagine, or just we can think that the people who hates with us are a lot of in number, and the people who loves with us are just a short or just in a small in numbers. But it is totally wrong. It is totally our own opinions. Don't be believe too much on your own old basis of your opinions. Just try to change of your own opinions. Just try to change of your own overthinking abilities. Okay, don't be too shy just talking with strangers, and always remember, if from a lot of person only 1 or 2 people are just rejected to you, or just rejected your plan, or just rejected your business idea, or just rejected to your product, or maybe they don't want to listen to you because of their own behaviors, because of their own anger, or because of their own ability, because they are too much thinking about their own themselves and they have no time for you. Okay, just come away and just change your way, because there are a lot of many peoples are there. If 1 or 2 are not talking with you, then what's wrong? There is nothing wrong. Just start from another way. Just start it from another way of your life. Okay, don't be too shy. Don't be too don't be too much frightened from the talking with strangers, or just from those people that are just passing negative comments on you. Just maybe this is a best way that you can improve yourself. Maybe here is your mistake, maybe here is their own mistake, but you cannot change their ideas or their opinions, but you can change your own ideas, your own opinions. Okay, your own start of behaving to with them, or just your own idea to just on the behavior of the others. Okay, maybe he's just busy of their own work, maybe he's just busy of their own management system, and don't be too much fearful about the others' opinions. Just make your own way, start your own way, and end up with your own way. Peoples are connecting with you, peoples are just combining with you, and that is the fact that not all the people at all the time are with you, but at the passage of time, some people at some time are with you. Because Albert Einstein says that you cannot make fool all the people all the time, but you can make fool some people for some time. God bless you. Thank you.